welcome back to my channel. It is time for my monthly favorites. So this month is going to be short, sweet, and simple, only because it's just been a hectic month. I haven't been out there to see what's new and trendy out there. So if there are new trendy things out there you think I should try, go ahead and comment below. Product I have here is by Guerlain, or is it Guerlain? Guerlain? I don't know. The French says it really nice. I'm butchering it, but I'm saying it American style, which is Guerlain. This is my first lipstick product from them and I'm in love. I'm wearing it right now. This is a beautiful soft coral lip. Not only because of the color, it's the packaging. This package here is a nice pearly case, which is so cute. It's like 3 little cubes stacked on top of each other, but the inside is to die for. The inside is what really counts. It's a heart shape. Isn't that so cute? The formulation of this lipstick is a creamy, sheer, but pigmented high shine. It's called the Kiss Kiss Love, and it says it right there on the lipstick. How cute is that? I really love the shape of the heart because it just fits right at your cupid's bow when you're applying it on. So the next product we have here is by Givenchy. Now this product is a brand new eyeliner and the applicator is so short but very thin. Have you guys ever seen a liner like this? This actually has a lot of flexibility. You can make it super thin, you can make it thick, you can get really nice curves on the liner, but it doesn't feather. Once it's dried, it doesn't budge. This is a great waterproof liner that you can use on top of your mascara or even falsies. I really like how thin it is because I could actually trim the outline of my lash line super thin. It'll just give my lashes more of a bolder look without covering my whole lids. And you guys know I have a small lid, so if I do a regular liner, it may cover the whole damn thing. But with this liner, it makes it nice and thin. So speaking of Givenchy, this is actually my first handbag from Givenchy, which is right here. So just a little story. My husband actually went out to London for a business trip and I've been wanting a Givenchy bag. I guess like any other luxury brands, styles come and go. If you don't get that color, then it discontinues or comes back in a different style or a slightly different color. So he asked me if I wanted anything and I was like, you know, if you could possibly stop by a boutique and see if they offer this bag, that'll be great, because a few years ago when I wanted this bag, they offered it, but I guess I can't find it anymore. And the only place you can find it is probably like eBay. So anyways, long story short, he gets into the boutique and I sent him a picture and I'm like, can you find this bag for me? If they do, that'll be great. So then he texts us back and he goes, they have this one. Surprisingly, they had this bag and this was like the last one. So I was like, this actually isn't the exact same one that I wanted. The color was slightly different. One that I wanted was actually a softer light gray versus this darker gray, which is actually okay because I do have that YSL bag that is more like a softer white gray. So I'm glad I got this one, so that way at least I have a different color. So the next thing I have is a planner and it says Woman on a Mission. So lately I've been kind of in a rut and kind of unmotivated on things. So I felt like I needed a new planner that has an inspirational kind of quote in the front, so every time I see I'm like, yes. I'm gonna have all my ideas kind of planned out and visions of better content videos and practicing more of my vlogging and of course expanding my business so it can grow. I have in love with Sheen. This is my second purchase with this company. You guys may or may not seen that I wore this like bright neon bandeau top when I was in Hawaii. I went back on the site to try to find more of those bandeau tops because I really love it. Plus I have an upcoming trip that I wanted to get more of those shirts and it was a fail. I couldn't find them, but of course I found new goodies. So I got myself another neon colored, this is a bandeau high-waisted top. And sorry, I'm not gonna do a try on because you know, the body's still not comfortable, but I'll show you like maybe a top or two later. But I bought a high-waisted bandeau top in the neon. What I really like about these bandeau tops is that they come with pads, but I took them off because I'm about to wash them. So I got this in the marble print as well. This was a really cute bikini top. It's actually a one-piece. It's a tube top like kind of high-waisted sides. And it has like a sheer band on the top, which is really cute. And you have it in the mid part of the bikini. This also has a removable cups if you want it or not. Very convenient. I didn't find those bandeau tops. I found them in these, which are really great. They're still very long, like my neon one. This is actually a lot thinner. This is kind of like a tank top material. It's kind of ribbed, and you can't put cups in these, but you could just wear these nice and comfortably. And I got one in yellow and also in black. And the last item I have is actually from Free People. I've never purchased anything from Free People, but I thought this was so cute. So I tried it on and I was like, this is so cute to wear under a loose, even like one of these plaid shirts or any type of tank top. It's like a halter-ish sports bra, but a little bit more like dressier because of the lace details. This is so cute. Look at this. I would say this is like a long bandeau tank top style, since it does come a little bit under the boob area. This is very thin, so if I'm going somewhere hot, this will be perfect. This does not come with little cups, but I can actually sew them in, since I've been sewing in cups to my other tops. So I thought this was really cute, and I hope to find more of these in different colors. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was short, sweet, and simple. Again, if there's something I'm missing or any cool trends that I should check out, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do have upcoming videos. I have my top 5 favorites on favorite moisturizers. I have this little quick glam here. I also have an everyday makeup look. And I also have a back to school giveaway that I'm working on, so you guys don't want to miss that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!